Hello creative people, welcome to my channel. My name is Zenaida and this is Fashion with Zenai, a place to inspire fashion lovers, to share my love for fashion and DIY projects. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a basic bodice pattern so you can use it to create tops, dresses, jackets, and several other designs. I really hope you enjoy this video and let's jump right into it. For this tutorial, I will be using the following tools: pattern paper, ruler, French curve ruler, a scissor, a tape, measurement tape, pencil, eraser, calculator, a paper to write the measurements, or you can use my body measurement chart from my Etsy shop. And for this basic bodice pattern, I use the measurements of my size chart, which is also on my Etsy shop. The link will be down in the description box. So right here you have the pattern paper that I cut. Make sure the edge is straight because this is going to be the center back. The first thing you're going to do is to mark 41 centimeter from the shoulder point, and this is for the center back. From the center back point, you're going to draw a horizontal line, which is going to become the waistline. Because this pattern is on fold, you're going to divide the bust wide by 4 minus 1. That's 20 centimeters for the waistline. From the center back line, you're going to mark 22.5 centimeters up for the armhole point. From this point, you're going to mark 20 centimeters for the armhole line, which has the same length as the waistline. From the armhole line, you're going to mark 6.4 centimeters up. And from this point, you're going to mark 17.5 centimeters to draw the upper chest line. The next thing you're going to do is to create the neck and shoulder line. First, you're going to drop 2.25 centimeters down to mark the neck point. From the center back, you're going to mark 6 centimeters for the neckline. And now you can draw a horizontal line from the center back. From the neck point, draw in the neckline. By using the French curve, it makes it much easier to draw the neckline into a good shape. For the shoulder line, you're going to mark 12 centimeters from the neckline point. And because our shoulder is not straight, you're going to drop the shoulder point with 2.5 centimeters for the shoulder end point. From this point, you're going to draw the shoulder line, which is 12 centimeters. So now you're going to connect the shoulder to the upper chest, from the upper chest to the armhole edge, so you can draw a curved line for the armhole. Draw the side line by connecting the armhole and the waist edge. The next thing you're going to do is to draw the darts. At the waistline, you're going to create 3 darts. On the waistline, you're going to measure 11 centimeters from the side line. And you do the same for the armhole line. The waist dart is 2 centimeters wide, and from the middle, which is the waist dart point, we mark 1 centimeter on both sides. From the middle of the 2 centimeter, draw a straight line from the waist to the armhole point, and draw the dart shape from the waist dart points to the armhole point. The second dart you're going to create is the middle back dart, which is 1 centimeter. And then on the side of the bodice, you're going to create 1.5 centimeter for the third dart, which is called the side dart. Before creating the darts, you can also decide to create only 2 darts, which are the waist dart and the side dart. But keep in mind that the 1 centimeter of the middle back dart, which you're not going to use, needs to be added on the side dart or the waist dart. Or you can add half of 1 centimeter on both of the darts, the waist and the side dart. And to finish the back of the pattern, you're going to write what each line is for the waist, armhole, and upper chest. The next thing you're going to do is to extend the 3 horizontal lines from the back pattern to the front pattern. These are the waistline, arm line, and upper chest line. Then you're going to draw a line, which will become the center front line. The waistline is 22 centimeters wide. From the center front, measure 22 centimeters for the armhole line, which is the same length as the waistline. And measure 16.75 centimeters for the upper chest line. The length of the center back line is 44 centimeters. The next thing you're going to do is to create the neck and shoulder line. First, you're going to drop 8 centimeters to mark the neck point. From the center front, you're going to mark 6 centimeters for the neckline and draw a horizontal line from center front. From the neck point, draw in the neckline. For the shoulder line, you're going to measure 12 centimeters from the neckline point, which is the same shoulder length as the back. Then you're going to drop 5 centimeters down, and that's where the shoulder line ends. Measure 12 centimeters for the shoulder from the neck point to the shoulder end point, and then draw the shoulder line. For the armhole, you're going to connect the shoulder to the upper chest edge and draw a curved line. Connect the armhole with the waist edge and draw a line. For the front bodice, you're going to create 2 darts on the waistline and 1 dart on the shoulder. First, you have to determine where the bust distance point will be. Before doing that, you measure 26 cm for the bust height. From this point, you're going to mark 9.5 cm for the bust distance. And from the center front, you're going to draw a help line to the bust distance point. Now draw a straight line from the bust distance point to the waist dart point. The waist dart is 3 cm wide, and from the middle, you mark 1.5 cm on both sides. On the side of the front bodice, you're going to create 1.5 cm for the side dart. The next dart that you're going to create is the shoulder dart. First, determine the center of the shoulder line, which is 6 cm. Then draw the first side line of the shoulder dart from the shoulder line to the bust distance. In the meantime, I wrote down the 3 horizontal lines and I cut out the back piece of the pattern. You don't have to do this right away. You can also do it at the end after drawing the pattern. From the shoulder dart, you're going to measure 4.2 cm dart depth. Before drawing the second side line, you need to measure the first side line. The length is 24 cm and needs to be the same length as the second side line. Measure the piece, which is 2 cm, and add this 2 cm on the upper chest line. Because the shoulder line is 12 cm, you need to add the other half of the shoulder with 6 cm. To draw the armhole, you need to connect the shoulder with the upper chest and the armhole edge. So this is the part for the front bodice. After you trace the front pattern, it will look like this, and then draw the center line of the shoulder dart. The last thing you need to do is to cut the front and the back of the pattern. So this is the finishing pattern for the front and the back. The basic bodice pattern is really essential because with this pattern you can create many other designs for your own projects. I really hope you find this video useful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share, comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.